Hello all. Today we are going to see about the MAC address, that is Media Access Control. So in this session we are going to learn about the MAC address. What is meant by MAC address? MAC address operate on which layer of OSI reference model? MAC address representation using hyphen, colon and period. How to view or find the MAC address in various operating systems. Unique address in the system. Compare with host name, IP address and the MAC address. MAC address formats: layer 2 broadcast address, layer 2 multicast address, layer 2 reservation MAC address. So MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to a network interface controller, that is NIC card, for using the network address in communication within the network segment. This MAC address will be present in our Ethernet card of each and every computer. This Ethernet address will be present in our each and every port of the switches, router, the firewall networking devices. This will operate in the layer 2 data link layer. Usually the switch networking device, layer 2 device will be operated. So it will operate on the base MAC address. Data link layer is divided into two layers. One is LLC, link logic control, which is communicate or interact with layer 3 networking layer. This MAC address is a sub-layer of data link layer which communicates with our physical layer. It was represented in 802.3 in IEEE format, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. So MAC address are recognized as a 6 group of 2 hexadecimal format. What is meant by hexadecimal? The alphabets and the numerical. The combination of numbers plus alphabets will form the hexadecimal format. So here they have listed at one hexadecimal format MAC address 94659C157489. MAC address are recognized as a 6 group of hexadecimal digits separated by hyphens, colons and the separate. The hyphen between the 2 digits, it will be using the hyphen between the 2 digits. The colon sometimes maybe they use, but when the dot, the full stop period will be used between the 3 digits of the MAC address. MAC address are primarily assigned by the device manufacturer and therefore they are often referred as BIA, burn-in address. Sometimes they will refer to Ethernet hardware address, physical address, NIC address, layer 2 address. Sometimes they will refer as a permanent address, because each addresses can be stored in the special type of hardware called ROM, read-only memory. So initially, these MAC addresses are permanently stored in the RAM read-only memory. After booting the system, that means switches, firewall, router or our computer, laptop, whatever it is. After booting the system, these MAC addresses are copied from read-only memory to random access memory, that is RAM to ROM to RAM for operation. So the term BIA is referred like this. So how to find the MAC address in the system? Suppose we are using a Unix or Linux system, then we need to type the command ipconfig space -a, IP link list or IP address show. These are all the commands we need to use in Linux or Unix system. The command which is used in Windows operating system is ipconfig/all. If we are using Mac OS, then we need to type TCP/IP control panel. How to find the host name of the device? In the command prompt, we need to type the host name to find out the computer name, that is host name. Okay. How to find the IP address of the computer? In the command prompt, we need to type ipconfig. If you want to find the MAC address of the computer, then we need to type ipconfig /all. So it will list out your layer 2 address. So compared to host name and the IP address with the MAC address, computer name we can able to change according to the user's wish. IP addresses also can able to change based on your network types. But this MAC address we cannot able to change because it's a hard coded. Whenever the Ethernet is manufactured, this 48-bit hexadecimal value will be represented. This is a permanent address. We won't able to change. The MAC address format. The first 3 bytes will represent your OUI. Remaining 3 bytes will represent your vendor code. OUI will be represented by IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The remaining 6 hexadecimal comprise your interface serial number, which is assigned by the manufacturer of the vendor. So totally 24 bits plus 24 bits, totally 48 bits. Sometimes 6 plus 6 digits they will represent, or 3 byte they will represent. So this 6 byte in OUI first byte. In that first byte, it have a 8 bit, because 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. So in first byte, that rightmost digit, that is rightmost bit 1 will represent 0, it's a unicast. If it is 1, then it will be a multicast. And the rightmost second bit will be 0, means universally administered. If it is 1, locally administered. This is a MAC address format. This MAC address was originally comes from the company called Xerox. Xerox is the first company who's invented the Ethernet for their local area communication. So laterally we refer this as a Ethernet addressing scheme. It is a 48-bit address space, contains potentially 2 to the power 8, that is overall 281 trillion possible MAC address we can able to use in the entire universe. So MAC address used in the IPv6 address format also, because we already know that in our previous session we have learned that IPv6 is a hexadecimal numbering system. Both alphabets and the numerals combined will represent the hexadecimal. So extensible unique identifier is a method we can use automatically configuring IPv6 host addresses. IPv6 devices will use the MAC address of the interface to generate the unique 64-bit interface ID. However, the MAC address will be 48-bit and the interface will be 64-bit. This type of addresses we will learn whenever we take the IPv6 section. The IEEE managed allows the MAC address originally known the MAC address 48-bit. It is targeting of 100 years of lifetime until 2018. After that we can use plenty of MAC addresses. Okay. So MAC address, broadcast address. Whenever we cannot able to find the neighbor MAC address, then we should use this broadcast address to find out their neighbor or peer device MAC address. The packet sends to the broadcast address 1. It received by all the stations of the local area network. In the hexadecimal, broadcast could be FF colon FF colon FF colon FF colon FF colon. 12 times F they have represented. A broadcast frame is flooded out forward to accept all other nodes. The packet sends to the multicast address is received by the all station of the local area network that has been configured. Multicast address. Multicast, the group of devices will use these multicast addresses. Here we have listed some link aggregation control MAC address, that is 0180C2 000002. So some common devices which will share the common MAC addresses, that is multicast MAC address to represent as a single devices. Finally, some reservation MAC address also used here, which is allocated by INOC allocated address. The unique address under the INOC. So these ranges we cannot able to use because it is already reserved 00-005E. Sometimes it starts with 33-33-00, and HSRP is reserved 5 times 0C07AC, and VRR IP also used 00005E, and a GLBP, that is Global Gateway Load Balancing, 3 times 07B4. These are all first hop redundant protocol.
Okay, thank you all.